Understanding the Installation Process, a Beginner's Guide. Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into a very practical and common phrase that you might encounter in many contexts: the installation process. Whether it's software on your computer, a new appliance in your home, or any other product that requires setting up, understanding this term is essential. So, let's break it down together and make it as simple as possible. The installation process refers to the series of steps taken to set up a piece of equipment, a software program, or any system so that it is ready for use. It can involve assembling parts, connecting systems, or running software setup programs. This process is crucial because, without it, the product or system won't function as intended. 1. Software installation. This is when you download a program onto your computer or mobile device and go through the steps to make it operational. It often involves accepting terms and conditions, choosing settings, and sometimes restarting your device. 2. Home appliance installation. Installing an appliance like a washing machine or a refrigerator might require physical setup, connecting to power sources, and sometimes even configuring settings. 3. Furniture assembly. Though not electronic, assembling furniture also falls under the umbrella of installation processes, involving reading instructions, using tools, and following steps to put pieces together. The installation process is key to ensuring that whatever you're setting up works correctly and efficiently. Skipping steps or incorrect installation can lead to problems, malfunctions, or even safety hazards. That's why paying attention to instructions and details during the installation is crucial. Read instructions carefully. Always start by reading the guide or manual provided. Prepare necessary tools. Make sure you have any required tools or components before you start. Follow steps in order. Don't skip steps. They are designed to ensure a proper setup. Seek help if needed. If the process seems complicated, don't hesitate to ask for professional help or search for online tutorials. We hope this video has shed light on the installation process and why it's such an important concept in both the digital and physical worlds. Remember, a successful installation sets the foundation for a great user experience, so taking it seriously can save you a lot of time and trouble down the line. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful insights in our next video.